Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing 5 recession-proof businesses that you can do. Yes, so guys, when we talk about recession-proof businesses, these are businesses that are not affected by recession. Remember when the pandemic hit in 2020, a lot of businesses were affected. And in today's video, I think it's always best to prepare for the worst. Yes, prepare for uncertainties. So when you are choosing a business, it will be wise for you to find a business that is recession-proof, that can withstand the effects of recession at any time. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. The first one on my list here is medical staffing. Yes, by connecting healthcare facilities with qualified professionals like doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals, medical staffing companies ensure the availability of trained and skilled medical staff to meet patients' needs. These agencies actually play a crucial role in addressing staffing shortages and maintaining quality care in healthcare settings. Another service you can offer is senior services. What exactly is it? According to Statistica, in 2020, about 16.9% of the United States population was 65 or older. Yes, by 2030, that percentage is projected to reach 20.6%. This demographic shift emphasizes the demand for senior services for this growing population segment. Senior services may include a range of businesses that cater to the needs of the elderly population. And as people age, they may require assistance with daily activities, healthcare, companionship, and other specialized services to maintain a high quality of life. Now, why is it recession proof? Do you know that the aging population's continuous growth has led to an increased need for senior services, making this one of the most recession proof industries? And for many elderly individuals, these services are crucial for their well-being and safety, ensuring their relevance even during economic downturns. Additionally, the expansion of retirement, communities and assisted living facilities opened up further opportunities for entrepreneurs in this field. Examples are home care services, offering personalized support and assistance. Home care services cater to the needs of seniors within the comfort of their own homes. These services help with daily activities and medication management, and they provide companionship, enabling seniors to maintain independence and dignity. Another business you can do during recession is assisted living facilities. You can create a caring and supportive environment. Assisted living facilities cater to seniors that require a little more assistance within with their daily activities. Now, these communities offer a blend of independence and professional care, providing an engaging lifestyle for elderly patients. And then you can also engage in hospice. Yes, hospice franchises offer compassionate end-of-life care and support for seniors facing terminal illnesses. Focusing on enhancing the quality of life for patients and their families, they provide pain management, emotional support, and spiritual guidance during this delicate stage of life. Ultimately, recessions can be a natural part of the economic cycle, but they don't have to be the downfall of your entrepreneurial dreams. When you embrace the right mindset, focusing on recession-proof industries and staying agile in your approach, you can build a business that withstands the test of time and economic uncertainty. Guys, another business on my list here is animal funeral services. Animal funeral services. You will be surprised to know that people want to bid their animals farewell, good farewell. People spend a ton of money on caskets for their animals in this part of the world. Yes, you can start a animal funeral services. I kid you not. You'll be surprised. People throw big parties, big events where they cry. The owners, they all cry when they lay their dogs or their cats to rest. You can engage, and they also pray. They look for clergy. Yes, they look for pastors to help them pray for these pets. This, I'm not kidding. As a matter of fact, I was on an app. It's called Nextdoor. I've talked about Nextdoor so many times on my channel. I was on Nextdoor and somebody put up a card and said she just lost her pet and she used this funeral home, to bury her pet. And guess what? she was literally crying, pretty much. She said she cried. They tried so much for her. There was a pastor that prayed for her dog, and they buried the dog in the exact location that the dog wanted to be buried. And as a matter of fact, people also work as, they do telepathy. Yes, they talk to animals that are dead on behalf of the owners. Yes, some owners of pets actually miss their animals when they die. They miss them so much that they look for people who can communicate with those animals in the afterlife. There are people that offer these services. They tell the owners that they can talk to the pets. This is what the pet is asking me to tell you. Yes, in real time. Go find out. You can do extensive research on this. I'm not kidding you, guys. You know, on this channel I'll spill the tea. There are so many businesses that you can do that a lot of people are not aware of. People are cashing out every day, and of course not many people will come out to tell you this is what we do, this is how you can, you know, also take advantage of opportunities. But on this channel I'm going to share with you, I'll spill the tea on exactly how to make good money. These are recession proof businesses that have proven over time and time again to be successful businesses that withstand the test of time. Guys, if you have found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights, yes, into entrepreneurship and of course business success. Please share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from our community, yes, of aspiring entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you. And yes, if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various resources that helps you become the best version of yourself. Make sure you tune into this channel every single day. So all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys blow my mind like every single time. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. If you also want to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description and the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. You can run your ideas through me. Yeah, so and if you're looking for therapy, you can also book a consultation as the Patreon member. I'm not kidding. Yes, and that is it for today, guys. If you have any question for me, please let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Please feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. See this channel as a safe space for you. It is not just my channel. This is not just my channel. I'm building a community here. It is your channel. It is our channel, and that's why I'm building a genuine community. I want to know all of you by your names. It's not just about you guys coming to watch my videos and moving on. No, I want to know you, especially those of you that watch till the end every single time. Please, each time you tune into my channel, please always click on the like button first and do well to share with your communities. Share my videos with your friends, your village members, your church members, your mosque members, your parapet members, and all of your enemies as well. Yes, we want them to win, not just win, but win real big, so that they will stop beefing you this year. Yes, so we're making money. We're making money this year. Oh shit. So please, if you have not introduced yourselves, yes, my God is watching you. Yeah, introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, please thank you. I see you guys and I appreciate you. If you want me to improve on one or two things on this channel, on anything at all, let me know. I'm open to feedback, whether positive or negative. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And please, there are no speed questions. Feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. If you're not clear about one or two things, also let me know in the comments. I am here serving you guys. I'm working for you guys day and night. So please, feel free to express yourself in the comments. I'm your girl Mariam, and that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the very end. Yes, and I'm signing out on this note. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I'm so proud of you. And just in case people are doubting how far you can go, please, with my permission, just go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.